Remedies presents
How to use aloe vera gel for arthritis and knee pain. Aloe vera is an Ayurvedic plant that works wonders in relieving joint pain. Research shows that when consumed orally, aloe vera can be used in the treatment of osteoarthritis or knee pain. This is due to the anti-inflammatory properties that can create a preventive effect on the cells that produce inflammation while providing prompt relief to the patient. Natural detoxifying properties present in aloe vera cleanse the circulatory system and digestive system of toxic wastes. The nutritional values in aloe vera increases the body's ability to fight infections and other diseases and thus strengthens the immune system of the body. It is a rich substance of antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids, tannins, and carotenoids. Such vitamins present in aloe vera reduce the stiffness and soreness around the affected joints, thus making mobility of the patients easier. How can aloe vera be used to tackle joint pain? You can use it both topically and even orally. Let's see how. Topical use. The gel of the aloe vera has to be obtained to use for a topical application. The gel will provide relief of joint immobility and pain due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Fresh aloe vera gel can be applied up to 3 times in a day to soothe pain and promote healing. Oral application. Aloe vera can be taken orally as a juice. It can also be consumed raw. For raw consumption of aloe vera, you have to first obtain the gel, mix with honey to improve taste, and consume a few spoons each day. The aloe vera juice is the widest used form of the plant and it is quick and easy to obtain and use. The juice can be combined with fruits and vegetables. The dosage is usually 1 to 2 teaspoons each day or 30 ml 2 to 3 times a day. You can watch the video link I am posting in the video description and pinned post for aloe vera juice recipe.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.